smoke with me. Been turn this motherfucker up 800 degrees. Whole team eat chefs cause she's a treat.
Hey queens, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be an install on this wig. So right there I just showed you guys the cap construction and all of that. I re-dyed this wig to make it more blue. When I first received it, it was like a more purple blue, if that makes sense, and the color was a little uneven, so I just re-dyed it using, I think it's called the titanium dye. I think that's the dye brand I use, and the color is Azure, Azure. That's the color blue I used. This is going to be a really short video because for some reason my videos be extra long and nobody likes to sit and watch an extra long install video. Plus I already wore the wig before, but yeah, I'll leave all the info on this wig down in the description bar. Also, don't forget to follow me on all my social media, which will be down in the description bar as well. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and all that good stuff. So I decided to come back in and let you guys know that the lace on this wig was extremely light. It was also like this when I first got the wig. I don't know what kind of lace was used for this wig, but I honestly did not like it. It was very hard to melt into my skin. Even after I was completely done with the install, you'll see at the end of the video, the lace still looks really light. So after I finished recording, I tied the wig back down. I sprayed more got to be spray on it, and I tied it back down, and I just had it tied for like an hour, which gave me a major headache. But yeah, so excuse the way the lace looks. I tried my best, but yeah, I don't know what kind of lace this was. I did what I could. I mean, the color looks bomb. Okay, one more thing and then I'm gonna stop talking. This wig was also really small for my head. I do have a big head, but it's not that big, if y'all know what I mean. But this wig was really small for my head. Okay, y'all, so I'm sitting here editing a video and I just realized that the whole part of the video where I was doing my baby hair is not in the video. I don't know what happened to it. I don't think I pressed record during that part because I was getting really frustrated with how like the lace looks. But yeah, I just thought I'd come in and let y'all know just in case y'all was wondering. All right, you guys, so I'm back. This is the final product. I know my baby hair look far away from this, but it's not. It's just because the wig is blue. The edges, like the little baby hairs, were like ice blue. I don't know how to exactly explain it, but yeah, so it's making it look like it's real far apart, and it's not. I promise y'all it's not. I love this color so much better. Now when I first got this wig, it was like a purplish blue. It was more on the purplish blue side than the blue. Like I want to look like a blueberry type blue. So I redyed it with I think the name of the dye is titanium, and then the color is azure. I don't know, but yeah, I water dyed it with that, and this is the color that it turned out. I absolutely love this color so much better than when I first got it, but I will leave all the information on this wig down in the description bar. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.